Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Let's consider this question. This question is from WAEC 2024 objective question, right? So in this channel, I'm going to be teaching us a series of WAEC questions from 2019 to 2024. So if you have any challenge, you want to look at past questions, this channel is a good place for you to learn your past question on WAEC. Okay, so I'll still lay my hand on 2025 question and I'll solve it for us. All right, so let's consider this question on the board. It says multiply 3.4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5 by 7.1 times 10 raised to the power of 8 and leave the answer in the standard form. So we are given 4 different options. All right, so now what are we going to do to multiply this? First of all, we have to multiply the coefficient. All right, so if we multiply the coefficient, let me write solution. All right, so we have to multiply the coefficient, which is 3.4 times 7.1. all right, so what we need to do first, just forget about this multiplication, this decimal first. So just let's multiply it straight. So 4 times 1 is going to give us 4. 1 times 3 is going to give us 3. 7 times 4 is going to give us 28. We put down 8 here. We carry 2. So 7 times 3, 3 times 7 is what? 21. 21 plus 2 is what? 23. All right. So we add it together. This is 4. All right. Then 3 plus 8, we have 11, right? Put down 1 here, carry 1. 1 plus 3 is what? 4. So we have 4, we have 2. So we have 2, 4, 1, 4. Now, what we are going to do is to bring in our decimal. How many decimal places did we have here? It's 2 decimal places, 1, 2. So we are going to move our decimal from here 2 times 1, 2. So this is for the coefficient. Now let's multiply the powers. All right. So if we multiply the powers, 10 raised to the power of minus 5 times 10 raised to the power 8. Remember, in indices, multiplication will change to what? Addition. So we take one of the power, which is 10. Then we have minus 5 plus 8. Minus 5 plus 8 will give us 10 raised to the power of 3. So if we add this together, we are going to get 24.14 times 10 raised to the power of 3. Now, this is still not proper yet. It's not in the best standard form. So what we are going to do is we are going to adjust the coefficient. All right, we adjust the coefficient to a value between 1 and 10 by moving the decimal 1 place backward. So if we move the decimal 1 place backward, we are still going to move the power 1 place forward. If we move here backward, we'll add 1 to this power. So it's going to move to this place. Our answer will now be, therefore, our answer will now be 2.414 times 10 raised to the power of 4. So this is the final answer to the question. So the correct answer here is going to be what? B, C rather. So this is the correct answer. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.